Hello, math aficionados. This is Victoria, and I'm doing a second problem from section 5.1, and this was on a little more complicated of an example of factor by grouping. So you can see the problem right here. It says factor out the greatest common factor, and you actually have a binomial times a binomial plus a binomial times a binomial. And so it's a little bit different than what we've seen before. But I want you to recognize that you have an r minus 3 and an r minus 3 is a common factor in both of these products. So is there a common factor? Yes, the common factor, of course, as we just discussed. And we're going to say the GCF of this polynomial is going to be r minus 3. Why? Because it's a factor in both of these two terms. Now we're going to go ahead and factor it out, and as you can see here, on the left is our original equation, and over here we're factoring out that r minus 3, and we're leaving in parentheses what's left. So what's going to be left is the r plus 3, which is from the first term, and the r plus 4, which is from the second term. So this r minus 3 is times this sum of these two binomials. And so if we add what's inside these square parentheses, we're going to have r plus 3 plus r plus 4, or 2r plus 7. So there is the factorization of this factoring by grouping. We have this original problem where we had an r minus 3 in both of the terms, and then when we factored it out, what was left was this combination of like terms here, the 2r plus 7. Hope that helps you. Look forward for the next video on section 5.